How to use Photoroom for Instagram Reel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this application to create Instagram Reels. First of all, open the application. Now you're in your home page. Slowly scroll down and you'll be able to see the option called social media. So here you can see different formats that are available. Now you can simply tap on Instagram Reel. So here it will open you in this editing platform. So the ratio is set here. Now you can simply tap on this insert button and insert the images or the videos that you want to keep it. So it will automatically skip the background and now it's done. So here you can make edits accordingly and later export it in a format of Instagram Reel. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.